What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I haven't done a video in a while on my personal channel, but I thought I would just bring you guys into the garage, which is the TL Wrap Tools headquarters. Thought I'd bring you guys in here to show you guys some of the stuff I've got going on, some of the stuff that's shipping out tomorrow and Tuesday, and some of the projects and what's going on here. So as of right now, we do have some custom racks that are going to be shipped out tomorrow and Tuesday within the next couple of days. Some are getting shipped out tomorrow, some are going, yeah. Anyway, they get shipped as they're done. And then this is also part of that order. So this is actually one order. He's got the red and black, blue and black, stained black. And then he also is getting these purple and black mini racks. Another squeegee order. I need to put the felt on there yet. I'll show you guys these guys. This is my 7-roll rack, custom painted blue with black logos, black backing, and then the same thing here with the red. We got the red backing, red logos. Looks awesome, super tight. Very happy I added this service because guys are loving it, and I'm loving seeing all the different colors. Just as I finish them up, it just gets me excited because when I started this wasn't the goal. This wasn't the plan. The plan was just to create cool, useful wrap tools and equipment. But now, seeing other people's names on them, like this set here, where we got G&S Designs, we custom engraved his logo in there for him on 2 12-roll racks and a 7-roll rack, which looks awesome. Still got my logo in there, but his pops a little more. It's engraved a little bit deeper. And he would also have the option, if he wanted to get them painted and have it pop even more like those, right? But he opted to just leave them for now. He said his next order might be custom painted. So then we have some inventory of 7-roll racks, 12-roll racks that I think, yeah, one of these 12 rolls is sold, and then one of them is inventory. And then we have my floor rack, which is just holding some stuff to show what they are used for. This is the assembly table. And then we have my set of racks over here. This is gonna be used for making my custom sign we're making this week. This is the shipping table. And we got some other inventory and shipping supplies over there. But yeah, I just figured I haven't made a video for a while. I do want to make another wrap video. I just haven't had time with this stuff and working some other jobs. But I appreciate your guys' support on here on my YouTube channel. So if you guys can just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The more I see those numbers going up, the more it is motivating me to try to find some stuff to wrap. I don't really work at a wrap business right now because, well, Rogue hasn't moved to the new shop yet, and I'm just trying to get this stuff going right now. So I need to just find some stuff to wrap so I can make some wrap videos because I enjoy wrapping. I've done some wrap stuff here and there, not filmed it, but I need to do some more stuff and film it for you guys because that is what I told you guys my channel is based on. So we're gonna keep it that way. I will bring in more business stuff though as I expand the business. If it goes that way, I'll keep showing you guys. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, please give me a thumbs up if you want more content like this. If you want more behind the scenes of business, that sort of stuff. Until next time, thanks for watching guys. Peace.